Welcome to this short video about the C39 signal tool for Moss. I'll go through this example I posted on Twitter to show you how to use the C39 and Moss. This signal tool will help you manage the trade while you need to take care of the risk. The name Moss, Multi-Order Scalping System, says already what it is: a tool to manage multiple orders. Instead of placing one market order, it is less riskier to divide that one size in multiple chunks and place multiple orders. If you plan to close them all at the same level, it makes no sense. However, you know that price never stops at certain levels. It either doesn't reach or goes through and turns back below, faking a continuation. That being said, look at this Nasdaq chart. These four candles form a nice small consolidation, and on close of this small bullish candle, a bullish buy signal is released. That's the C39 signal tool. Let's say you opened 3 one-lot positions, where one lot corresponds to $1 per point. If Nasdaq moves 10 points, you will gain $30 with these positions. You entered an open of this candle at 12,986, and price went all the way to 13,098. All bullish candles all the way. This is 112 points with your 3 positions. It's $336. First bearish candle, then a bullish again, not breaking higher, then an evening star, which is a reversal candle pattern, then the bullish doji and bearish candle. You close one position at the close of this bearish candle at 13,088. One position closed. Profit of $102 banked. Price continues higher, and this third bullish candle closed with higher high regarding the doji. Time to roll stops to below the last bearish candle at 13,084, because the low is at 13,085. Price is at 13,130. You already banked $102, and on remaining 2 positions, a guaranteed profit of $196 is locked. You see that initial momentum is drying out, and this bearish engulfing candle is again a reversal signal. You close one more position at 1321, banking another $135. The last position is protected with a certain $98 of profit, so you wait to see if the price breaks higher. This pullback is an ABC structure, as all pullbacks are on this bearish candle. A buy signal is released. You can add a position or two or just sit back and wait to close the last running position. It's up to you. If you add at this point, your stops are 1 point below this bearish candle where the green arrow signal has been triggered. Let's say you don't add and price breaks higher, making a new high at 13,148. You roll your last stop to 13,107, locking in $121 on this last position. Price zigzags higher to 13,159 and pulls back to this doji, not closing below this small dip at 13,136, and you get another buy signal to stay in your trade. Should the price have closed below 13,136, I'd close manually the last position, but it didn't. Price goes higher, closing at 13,163, and makes this bearish harami candle, strong reversal signal. The very next candle triggers the sell signal on close, and you close your last position at 13,152, making an additional $166. All in all, you made $403. I can bet that many of you will have closed your position on that evening star candle at 13,088, making only $306. By staying in a trade and banking profits stepwise on each position, you made 30% more. 30% ain't small. In this case, a good $100. You can open more positions with Moss, but I wouldn't advise more than 3 or 4 because slippage can occur. Rather small, maybe 1 or 2 points. Don't exaggerate with more than 5 positions. To conclude, this C39 will give you buy and sell signals. Remember, in a range-bound price action, many signals may trigger, so wait for a breakout to get in, otherwise you will lose money instead of making. I hope this signal tool will help you to make great trades with Moss. For those who are interested, Moss is built into Aries and complex trading decision support system. Watch my video on Aries, and if you like to have Moss and C39, be kind and donate to Aries fundraiser at least €50 and you will get it. Moss is a great day trading tool to make many scalp trades during the day. Profits are limitless. Countless opportunities on small time frames all day long. You can easily make a few $100 each day with a very small account using Moss. Cheers.